Let's take a look at the daily language review for Thursday. Section 1 says, give a synonym for the following word. Hungry. Well, a synonym is a word that means the same thing. What word means the same thing as hungry? The first one that comes to my mind is starving. Can you think of a different word? If so, put it down. If not, it's okay to use starving. Let's look at the next section. Correct these sentences. Him and her take ice skating lessons on Wednesdays. Well, we shouldn't start a sentence with him and her. That doesn't make sense. We could change that to in one of two ways. We could say he and she take ice skating lessons on Wednesdays, or we could just combine that and say they take ice skating lessons on Wednesdays. Now notice I capitalized my they because it's at the beginning of the sentence. There's another word that needs to be capitalized in this sentence. Can you see which one it is? If you said Wednesdays, you're right. That's a proper noun because it's a day of the week. And we cannot forget our period. So let's write this sentence correctly. They take ice skating lessons on Wednesdays. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. I doesn't know who readed that pretty poem. Well, we've got to capitalize the first word in every sentence, and anytime I is by itself, it should be capitalized. Now, doesn't isn't the correct form of the word here. It should say I don't know. So let's correct that. I don't know who. Readed isn't the correct way to write the word read in past tense. It's actually going to be read. That pretty poem. And we have to put our punctuation at the end. So let's write this sentence correctly. I don't know who read that pretty poem. All right, let's look at our last section. Singular or plural noun. Oxen and toy. Now, singular means one noun and plural means more than one. Oxen is actually describing more than one ox, so that is a plural noun. And toy is describing one toy, so that's a singular noun. All right, thanks for sticking through this with me, even with my dog Barney barking in the background.